Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so in today's session we're going to see how to do addition of the fractions. Okay, so here I've taken two examples. Okay, so we'll see how to solve it. Okay, so this is one type of addition where if my denominators are same, okay, you're going to apply the method which I'm solving now. And if my denominators are different, there is one more method. Okay, so that we'll see later on. But if my denominators are same, what I have to do is, okay, so what you're going to do, always make a habit of copying your question as a part of your solution. Okay, so it's a good practice. Okay, so next what you're going to do is you're going to combine. Okay, you're going to combine the denominator and you're going to make it as a single digit. Okay, and here since both are different, what you're going to do, you're going to write 2 plus 4. Okay, you're going to add it upon this will be what did I say? If my denominators are same, I want to combine it and make it as a single digit. Okay, so now see what you're getting. 2 plus 4 is what? It is 6 upon 3. Now check, it's 3 and 6 coming in one table. It is coming in one table, right? What it is? 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. Okay, so my answer is what? 2. Okay, so this is how you're going to add two fractions. Okay, if my denominators are same. Okay, so let's take one more example over here. Okay, so as I told you all, make a habit of copying the question as a part of your solution. Okay, and now check, is my denominator same? It's the same, right? Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to combine it 7 plus 3 and you're going to make it as single 5. So 7 plus 3 is what? It is 10 upon 5. So 5 and 10 comes in one table, it comes, right? So what it will be? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Okay, so my answer is 2. Okay, so this is how you need to add two fractions if my denominators are same. Now what if my denominators are not the same? Okay, so let's see how to solve it. Okay, so again here I've taken one more example and here you'll have seen, right, my denominators are not the same. Okay, so if my denominators are not same, there are two ways to do the addition. Okay, first is you do your cross multiplication or second is you find the LCM. Okay, so I'll teach you all both the methods over here. So whatever is comfortable with you all can go for that method. Okay, so first I'll go for the cross multiplication. Okay, I'm copying the question as it is again. Okay, so what did I say? You go for a cross multiplication. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to go for a cross multiplication. So let's say 3 multiplied by 7, 3 multiplied by 7, whatever is there in between, what is there in between? It is plus, so plus will come as it is. Next again 2 into 5, so it is 2 multiplied by 5 and whatever is there down. Okay, if in the previous problem which I solved, my denominators were same, so we were combining and we were making it as a single number, right? But here there are denominators are different. So what am I going to do again? It's like multiplication, right? So 3 into 7, 2 into 5. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply my denominators also. I hope this is clear to you all. This is one way of doing it. Okay, so what you're going to get, 3 sevens are 21, plus will come as it is, 2 fives are 10 and 5 sevens are 35. So what am I getting? 21 plus 10 is 31 upon 5. Okay, so this is 31 and 5 comes in one table, it does not come. So this is how you're going to do addition of the two fractions if my denominators are not the same. This is one way. Okay, so take the same question and try to solve it in a different way. Okay, so if you don't want to do cross multiplication, okay, you can go for this method. Okay, so in this case what you're going to do is, okay, first I'm going to copy the question as it is. Okay, so what you're going to do, if you don't want to go for a cross multiplication, right, what you're going to do is you're going to find the LCM of your denominators. Okay, so this is one method. Okay, what you're going to do, you're going to find the LCM. Okay, so now tell me 5 comes in which table? Okay, 5 comes in 5 table only, right? So I'm going to write 5 ones are 5, the 7 will come as it is. Again 7 comes in which table? 7 table only, right? So 7 ones are 7. Okay, so if I multiply this, whatever is coming over here, if I multiply 5 sevens is what? It is 35. Okay, so whatever number you're getting, right, that same number you should be getting in your denominator. Okay, so how to get it? Okay, so first let us take the first fraction. It is 3 upon 5. And what did I say? I want my denominator as whatever number I'm getting over here. Okay, so whatever number I'm getting, 35, right? So 5 what's is 35? It is 5 sevens are 35. Okay, so whatever you're multiplying down, that same thing you're going to multiply in your numerator. Okay, same way plus will come as it is. You're going to take the second fraction, and what did I say? I want my denominator as whatever we have got by finding the LCM. Okay, so what we are getting? 35. So 7 into what is 35? 7 5s are 35, and again whatever you're multiplying down, the same thing you should get multiplied on top. Okay, so now write it down. 3 sevens are 21, 5 sevens are 35, plus 2 5s are 10, and 7 5s is 35. Okay, so now this is as good as what I thought initially, right? If my denominators are same, what you're going to do, just going to combine it. Okay, so I'm going to take the numerators 21 plus 10. My denominator is the same, so I'm going to write as it is. So 21 plus 10 is how much? 31 upon 5. Okay, so you all have seen, right? I'm getting the same answer for the same questions, but what I've done, I've made use of two different methods. Okay, so in this method, what I've done, I've taken the cross multiplication, and here we are finding the LCM. So this is how you need to do addition of the fractions. If your denominators are same, you just combine it, but if my denominators are different, there are two methods. Okay, you can go for the cross multiplication or you can go for the LCM. Okay, so whatever is comfortable with it, you can go with it. Yeah, thank you.